Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how we can use the vlookup function. Here we have a table which contains fruit, quantity and price. We want the price whatever the fruit we write. We have fruits, quantity and then price. Our equation is whatever the fruit we write, we get the price of that particular fruit. So how we can apply the vlookup function? Select the cell, then go to function. Then make sure you have a vlookup selection here. Then go to OK. Then you have to write the lookup value, which is the fruit name, which we will write here. Then we have to select the table array. After doing the table selection, we can fix the table by pressing F4. Then we have to select the column index, which is the index we have to search, like the price. Here you can see we have 3 index, 1, 2 and 3. So we have to write the 3 because it contains price. Then we have to write the range lookup value, which is false because we want exact match. In case of approximate match, we have to write true. Then we have to press OK. We get NA because I haven't write any fruit name. If I write the fruit name, I will get my result. Now we have the second condition where we have a different search key. So we have to apply at the different search key. How we can do this? This is similar like the last one. We have to select first cell, then go to the function. Then we have to make sure we have selected vlookup, then press OK. Then we have to select the lookup value, which fruit we want to search. Then we have to select the table array. After selection of the table array, we have to fix by pressing F4. Then we have to select the column index. We have 3. So now we have to write the range lookup, which is false because we want the exactly match. Then press OK. Now if we have to apply from the second part, we just copy and paste in the second cell. But we have to change the lookup value because we want another cell, so we have to select another cell, then OK, then press OK. Similarly, if we have to apply on the third cell, then we just have to paste. Then we have to modify the lookup value, which is now the cell which contain peach. Just click OK. Okay, now we have applied the 3 lookup value. If we change this to the other fruit like apple, the price will automatically change. Similarly, if we change apple to the banana, the price will also change. Now we have part 3. Now we have to do the vlookup for the different column indexes. Here we want the quantity instead of price. Then how we can modify our formula? So first I need to change to quantity. Then I have to select the cell. Then similarly go to the function. Make sure we have a lookup function select. Then press OK. Go to the lookup value. Select the lookup value. Then we have to select the table array. Then we have to fix our table array. Actually this one is optional, you can up to you, but fix is always better. Then we have to select the column index. Now we have to search the quantity, which is at column index 2, so we have to write 2. Then we go to the range. We have to write false because we want exactly match instead of approximate match. Then press OK. Now we have a quantity of orange, which is 5. If we change this fruit name to other fruit name like peach, we will get their quantity. Now next we go to the next part of vlookup, which is exact match and approximate match. Here we have the IDs, you can see, and in the table we don't have ID number 102. but for approximate match we are going to use this 102. So how we can use the approximate match? First we select the cell, then we have to go to the functions, make sure we have vlookup selection, then press OK. Then we have to write the lookup value, then we have to select the table array. After that we have to fix the table array. Since we want the fruit, so we have to write the column index, which is column index 2. Then we have to see the range lookup. Here we have to write approximate match, we have to write the true. Now we have to press OK. NA because we didn't write anything in that cell. If we write 102, we get apple, but we don't have ID 102. Why we get apple? Because it take the approximate match. If we write 101, still we get the apple. And why? Because it take approximate match. Similarly, as you can see, if we just change the one word, if we write the false instead of true in the function, the equation will change because false stands for exactly match. So just we have to change the lookup value, then we have to write the false here, then press OK. Then if we write here if we write 101, we get apple, but if we write 102, we get NA, because we are looking for the exact match instead of approximate match. That's why we always write false whenever we apply the vlookup function. Now we have a next condition. We have to apply the vlookup with a multiple criteria. We have first name, last name, then we figure out the department. Just go to the department, then we have to go to the function, then make sure we have selected the vlookup, then go OK. Then we have to write the lookup value. So the lookup value will be the first and last name. So we have to change to and symbol, because we want both our conditions are true, then we get the department. Then we have to select the table array. After selection, we have to fix this table array. Then we have to go through the column index. Since we want the department, so it will be 4. So then we have to write the range lookup, which is false, because we are looking for exactly match. We didn't write, that's why we have NA. If we write the first name Mia and last name John, we will get the department, that is product. Similarly, if we change the first and last name with a Steve Lee, then we will get his department marketing. In this video, we are going to learn this section is about the vlookup with the wildcard or the partial matches. So in the condition, we have ST, which is our initials of the name. So how we can apply the vlookup in this kind of function? So we have to select the cell, then go to function, make sure the vlookup is selected, then press OK. Then we have to go to the lookup value. In the lookup value, we have to write the double quote. Then we have to write ST, the initial of the name, then double quote. Then we have to write star. Then we have to select the table array. Then we have to select the index, where the index is like department, index 3. Then we have to write the false. We are looking for exact match. And press OK. Here you can see we get the marketing, which is Steve Lee.